Niko live sasa YouTube. Acha niangalie kwa channel yangu kama inaonyesha 17. Acha nione inakaaje. Kama itakuwa hivi nitakuwa na stream kila siku utaki. Gamba. Acha tuangalie US30 ndio itakuwa. One, two. Yeah, so we are looking to take a trade on US30 today, and we had already analyzed whatever we are looking at US30. This is DXY. You can see that the dollar index is very, very bearish. Starting from let's start from the daily time frame. So we trade support and resistance. So what we are going to do, we are going to analyze whatever happened yesterday, and you can see that price rejected the zone that price rejected yesterday, and I can't see. I think this was the zone. If you can't see the zone normally, you can just switch it into a line graph, and you can see, you can identify our zones well. So you can see that clearly yesterday the narrative on the dollar index indicated to us that today there's a possibility that we are going to enter for sells. So after identifying the dollar index that today we are looking for sells, today on the US30, let's go to US30. US30 on the daily time frame, price had already given us. So let me just delete everything so that we can look at it together. Remove 9 drawings. So this is the daily time frame on the US30. So whatever you can see is that we were rejecting this level over here. No, not even that level, sorry. I think this was a level. I told you guys, if you can't see, you can switch it into a line graph, and you can see clearly there was this level over here. Let me just mark it up so that you can see clearly. We have this level over here that price had rejected, and now we that means that we started a narrative. We started a bullish narrative. Already you can see we rejected, and we're able to close with a rejection. So this means that there's a possibility that you see this rejection over here means that we have a possibility that price is going to give us a bullish movement for today. And already you have seen the dollar index already. Also the dollar index is bearish also. Not even that level. The dollar index is also bearish, so meaning we are expecting some buys today. So we have 10 minutes for price to give us. So what we're going to do, we are going, already price has given us a shift in the 4-hour. You can see let me just see something. Yes, so this is where the market opened. So you can see already we broke this structure here. So meaning that we are looking to take buys today on US30. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the daily time frame, and I'm going to identify my support and resistance levels in the daily time frame. We have this level here. Also we have this zone here above. Also I have this level over here. So I had mentioned earlier that if you can't see these levels, what you can do, you can just go to your line graph, and you can see all the zones that I have identified are levels on the chart. So those are the only zones I can see. So let's go to 4-hour and define our areas. So in the 4-hour time frame, I can see that we had this very recent level here, which is it's a level SNR. But then also we have this one, a bullish continuation SNR. So possibly if we can't get a drop all the way to this zone over here, to these zones here, then I'll be expecting price to give me a reaction from these zones. So there's a probability that we may have a reaction from here, or we may have also a reaction from here, or I'll entirely now, because what we are looking at is only buys, we may have a reaction now from here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna wait and see what price is gonna give us today. But I think so far so good. I'm confident with this position. You can see even gold we had identified this setup. It was a very beautiful setup, and we have already delivered 1:10. Is it 1:10 or 1:8? I think. Sorry for that. Price has already given us 1:2. I'm hoping 1:8. This is so beautiful. You can see that was a very good trade. 1:8 RR. So I'm still expecting continuations of sales, uh, targeting these lows over here. It's actually a very good trade that we're able to catch with my community, and yeah. So let's see. Let's just be patient and watch. Yeah, be patient and watch. Uh, what? E, e. What? That is beautiful. That's beautiful. What? So gold is still dropping. Hey, that's beautiful. So like I'm updating my team over here. Paste. Okay. Okay. Let's go back. So we're waiting um for US30 to give us an entry. We're waiting for US30 to give us an entry. Uh, okay. So just a minute. Yes. So this is what we shall be waiting for. So if either we get a reaction from that point or we get a reaction from these zones, we are only looking for buys. So no sells that no, we are not considering any sells. In fact, let me even delete this level over here so that it doesn't give us confusion. We just want to focus on buys alone. Alone, 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 alone. So let's see. So let's wait and see. Let me see if I can. Uh, mhm. I don't know how to use this thing, so I'm still learning. So don't judge me. Uh, don't judge me. So yeah, so let's wait. Let's just be patient and wait for the study to play out. Let's just be patient and wait for the study to play out. So 3 minutes to uh, 3 minutes to beginning. Let's give it a title. US30 trading live. Today is on 25th August 2026. So maybe I can place my number over there. 254 90977 Excuse me. Let me enlarge it a bit. Make it big. Okay, so we have 2 minutes. Let me open my MT5 because now we have to be standby. We have to be standby. I'm just looking at buys. Just looking for buys only. So let's be patient. We have how many seconds to go? I think 60 seconds to go. 60 seconds to go. 60 seconds to go. Yeah. So let's be ready. Let's be ready. 29. So we have 49 seconds to go. 49 seconds to go. 49 seconds to go. 30 seconds to go. Okay, we have 20 seconds to go. Be standby. Okay, we have 6 seconds, 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3, 2, 1. The opening of New York. Opening of New York. Yes, as I expected, we have a very big drop towards a zone that I was looking at. So I'm waiting for an entry confirmation for me to enter for buy. I am awaiting entry confirmations. No entry confirmation, no buys. I was expecting that sell to go and drop to come and touch these levels. So let's still wait. Okay, that's a good one. Still need it to drop further. Still need it to drop further. But I'm saying it's rejecting that level. So be patient. We're waiting for it to reject that level. Okay, still dropping. It has touched our second level. Has it touched? No, it has not touched. Let's confirm. 4 hour. Yeah, we have not touched that level yet. Oh, I think we have done. No, but we have not touched. So let's go back to 1 minute. Yeah, we have touched the level. But I'm not in a hurry. I'll just wait. I'm just waiting. My job is to wait. Still dropping. That was a crazy drop, man. It was a very crazy drop. So let me go back to 1 minute because that's where I ideally want to wait for my entry confirmation. Hey, that was a crazy one. How many pips are this? Wow, 164. What? I'm still dropping. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. This is interesting. I've made some crazy money by selling this thing. Yeah, but we never regret anything. We just see, observe, and we wait for our setup to form. We are like lions. We hunt for the perfect opportunity, then we strike it. So far, let's just wait for it to play around, dance around. But when we catch it, make sure we teach it a lesson. Make sure we teach it a lesson. Yeah. Yeah, because ideally, if you don't teach it a lesson, it will teach you a lesson. So one has to die, either you or the prize. So let's wait. We are still waiting for an entry confirmation for buys. Remember, I told you guys we are only looking for buys. We are only looking for buys. Still dropping. Waiting for price to touch my zone. Yes, we are almost getting there. We are almost getting there. Some few pips to touch my daily level. Few pips to touch my daily levels. Then now you can see a potential entry. Let me just confirm. I like confirming my setup. Okay, wait a minute. Uh, okay, daily. Where's the daily? Yes, this was the daily level over here. Yeah, so I'm still waiting. You just confirm me where yes we had a shift, so I'm confident. I'm confident with that level. So let me go back to 1 minute and I wait price to touch my level. Touch my level, touch my level, touch my level. Yeah, in the meanwhile, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly consider subscribing so that we can get the motivation to be live streaming every day when we are taking our positions. And if you want to be part of the my trading community where I send my trades, here's my number, my WhatsApp number. You can consider sending me a DM and I'll add you to the group for free, and you'll be able to trade live with us every day. So I normally send signals to my guys, so you'll be able to learn also a lot from the group. So you are welcome. You are welcome to join uh, the the group. You are welcome to join the group. Okay, we touched the daily level. I'm not convinced yet. Let me just wait. Let me just wait. Let me just wait. Our work here, boys, is just wait. We don't have any other work. We only wait. We only wait. So we have touched the daily level. We're waiting for our entry confirmation uh, for us to execute our position. If you don't get an entry confirmation, forget about it. We are only interested in levels that give us entry confirmations. Okay, still dropping, still going down. Sometimes love turns around and then knocks you down. Dun, 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 knocks you down, knocks you down. Sometimes love turns around and then knocks you down. So it has tapped a 4 hour level. If I can just refine the daily level over there. Okay, let's see whatever is going on in the 1 minute, in the 1 minute time frame. What is going on? Okay, let me just sorry for that. Okay, let's see whatever is going on in the 1 minute time frame, in the daily time frame. In the daily time frame, we are having a rejection of that level. Okay, so we're waiting for entry confirmation. Okay, we have a rejection of that level. I'm still waiting for an entry confirmation. I am waiting. I am awaiting for entry confirmation. Confirmation. Entry confirmation. Okay, okay, we are waiting, still waiting, still awaiting, still awaiting. So we have a model 1 entry. I'm going to enter some few positions for buys. Let me just wait first of all for that rejection. I want it to be a clear rejection so that I can enter for my first position. It should close as a very good rejection. Okay, I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting. 3, 2, 1, 0, 0. Still, I don't like that rejection. I want it to be rejected well. Okay, I'm gonna enter for my few positions over there. Okay, let's wait for another possible entry. So if it gives us a very good push, I'm gonna add more positions. I'm gonna add more positions. I'm gonna add more positions. If it gives me a very good push, I'm waiting. I'm still waiting for that volume. I've not seen that volume yet. Yes, something like that. If it closes like that, I'm adding more positions. If it closes like that, I'm adding more positions. Okay, I'm not seeing anything yet. Okay, the volume that's supposed to push this thing has not yet come. It has not yet arrived. Still waiting for it. Still waiting. Still waiting for the volume that can be able to push the US30 trade. Not seeing it yet. So far we are still bearish. Though I've entered for my first position. My first position is here. When price came and retested this level over here, I entered for my first position. Let me give it some space, something like that. And we hope to have a push above. Let's see how it will go. Okay. There's a volume I'm waiting for. If I just see it, I'm going to add more positions. Because this for me it's a swing trade. I already analyzed with you guys and you saw that we are expecting for we started to buy for a while. So I've not seen yet the volume that's supposed to give us that push. So far I'm just seeing some little boys trying to run around over here. Still waiting for the big baba, the big boys to enter the building. So far, nothing yet. Nothing yet. If you have not entered, you can enter for that position. You can enter. Let me just place my buy stops over here. If in case price becomes serious and it says that it wants to play the big league, it will find me there. Buy stops. Yeah. So basically, a buy stop is you place a limit above your area so that if price comes to that level, it's going to execute buys. Right? That's why it's called a buy stop. And a sell stop, you place it below your price level so that if price continues to go down, it's going to execute the sell from those levels. So it's basically a defensive mechanism whereby you only want to enter for that position when price has confirmed that it wants to go into that direction. So that's why for me, I've decided to enter for a buy stop if price breaks above this high over here. At least that will have confirmed for me that we have some volume, we have some buy volume. But for now, we are only looking. We are still in our first risk. We are not going to add another risk. Still waiting uh, until price or volume confirms to us that we are going up. So we are waiting, still waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. We're still waiting. But if the volume would have, if price would have been kind to us and given us an entry at 430, it would have been magical because there's a lot of volume at that time, the 430 time. So that would be something nice because we would have flowed with the volume, the 430 volume. But since now already the 430 volume has already gone, well, what we just have to do is just wait if we can get another position. So far, no, nothing yet, no movement, and yeah, price has just decided to consolidate over there. So we are gonna wait. We are gonna wait. So let me just check the 5 minutes, something like that. So let's just watch it together. Let's watch it together. Believe in our analysis. I believe that we are going up. We are going up. We have done our analysis well, so yeah, we just have to. We are just waiting. We don't have any other job over here. Just waiting, 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 waiting. So we're waiting. Let's just be patient and wait.
Into the money at all times. I went to sleep 3 a.m. I was back up at 6:30. Excited. No excuses. My bad. Yo, shut the fuck up and let's get to the money.
change. It's 25. Oh Lord.
Profitability. There are periods where you genuinely start questioning yourself. You see other traders posting profits, you see people getting payouts, you see people getting funded accounts. But behind the scenes, you are failing trades, losing accounts, and wondering whether all the time you spent on this is actually going to pay off. I've personally experienced both sides. I've had good periods where I felt like I was finally figuring this out. I've also had moments where everything just went completely wrong. And I think that's the part people don't show you enough. Trading isn't about learning entries and analyzing charts. The real battle is remaining consistent when you're not seeing the real result.
Wow, wow, wow. So stopped out on the first entry. I'll be waiting for another entry at this zone here. So let's be patient and wait for that zone. Just wait for that zone over there.
Welcome to another episode of Between the Wickets with
let's talk about this account. This is a very, very good account.
These are signs of a cavity, and no matter how small and painless they may be, they shouldn't be ignored. Save your teeth or your child.
You announced auction to take place at 11 o'clock. At 11 we came to business. We have not seen the auction take place. What does that mean? No sure. This was planned for the people who attended have qualified to be leaders. You're supposed to have a deposit to show your seriousness. Yeah. That's the position I've come to witness. Under the rules, if by now it's at the 12, 1 hour later, nobody has shown up, does it mean that the function, the auction for the day is officially closed? Or you may revive it again if somebody comes in and say 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, whatever. Chances of somebody coming beyond this time is very slim. No, but it
So guys, this exterior thing is a new opportunities, as you can see. This was
yetu ni moja peke yake. Hadi yetu inaitwa nani? Kwa hivyo watu wote wanakubalishwa. Na tunasema watu wote waingie kwa chama. Hata jana nilisikia jana majuzi party leader. Nilisikia kwa sababu ya ule ushindi tulipata kutoka nao. Kila mtu anataka kusema alikuwa na sisi kwa hiyo ushindi. Mpaka wengine wanasema walitupatia pesa. Sijui ni nani alipatia, unajua sio wewe na sio mimi. Mwenye alipatiwa pesa na watu waleta Olkalau, mimi ndio nilikuwa mwanongoza ya kampeni ya Olkalau na sijaipata. Mwenye alipatiwa nitahakikisha nimepata hiyo pesa. Sababu hapana party leader, hapana mimi. So, saa hii kila mtu anasema hiyo Olkalau nilikuwa nasaidia. Watu wote watasema tu waseme tu hakuna shida.
started at Capital in 1999. Oh, wow. So that's 27 years. 27 years on radio. Yes, joined KISS. Then when they reformatted Classic 105, I joined in 2004. That's when I started working with my co-host. And we've done a show for 22 years. You've done this.
The scariest battle in the spiritual realm wasn't fought over a massive empire. It was fought over a single moment of human failure. When Moses died on Mount Nebo, Jude chapter 9 tells us.
After 66 payouts and $200,000 paid from funding bits, my last $30,000 from 4 funded accounts have been moved to Prime. Now I'm officially a Prime trader where I can request 80% split in everyday basis on multiple times. So currently, this is my first Prime reward from 2 funded accounts, which we'll be requesting today. So let's go into the reward section. You can see 66 payouts. I made profit in 2 of them. I am yet to create another account. So that's Rice. Let's go to Max. So the beauty of Prime accounts is I can keep requesting multiple times a day. Let's quickly refresh. Okay, that's processing right now. The second one is again being requested. So I have 3 more accounts. One account basically hit a daily drawdown, but the other 2 accounts are still yet to be traded. So I'll be trading the other 2 accounts, and most probably if I make any profits, then I'll be requesting it on the same day. A long weekend starts.
Stop watching YouTube videos, unfollow every single trader that you follow on YouTube.
I say that itabidi muone hii video. Manake management ya
It's beautiful. My Lord. Wow. Oh.
Front bumper that was written on this car. I don't know if the movie have a computer. So on the front we have these AMG rims, center locked. We have heated brake disc at the front, brake calipers, which is nice. The side mirrors are carbon fiber, which is also rim carbon fiber. When it comes to the interior, we have this huge EMG steering wheel that is spring auto. We also have these nice carbon fiber utility.
Unatafuta stimulant kwanza zitumie mwili ikuwe na sukari kwanza, kisha kuwa na sukari kwanza, sukari akishaingia tunashuka sasa. Hiyo ni adrenaline, tunapata tunaruka. Unatafuta stimulant.
Just in case someone forgot to tell you today, the compass was invented before the clock because direction was more important than how long it took to get there. Shida ya maisha ni hiyo. Kila kitu unatafuta, unatafuta nini? Unatafuta pesa. Unatafuta saa hii nasikia unatafuta usingizi. Alafu unatafuta ubaki. Utafuta. Yaani ingekuwa kutafuta. Ingekuwa maisha rahisi. Shida ya maisha ni hiyo. Kila kitu unatafuta nini? Unatafuta pesa. Unatafuta saa hii nasikia
Kicheki vile moyo unadunda dunda dunda.
It is a cell idea that was given by the internal scanner. And it's just to go and confirm what you're trading. Let's go to our trading view, use our scanner and see how accurate it is. Exactly the same entry point by the internal scanner, BMM's internal scanner, and BMM trading view scanner. It's the same. Yes. What does this tell you? Even if you are using the automation system on the BMM scanners or the BMM systems, the BMM website, you will still get the same quality trading.
Kisumu takupeleka. Rudi nimeenda wapi? We have news today and Push.
basi mimi, lakini mbona umeona kinyora na msalaba? Unafanya niogope bana.
This Brazilian blogger decided to venture alone onto the famous Snake Island and deeply